Hey, Brad here with Wonder Guides. If you find yourself traveling through Western North Carolina, make a stop at one of our Wonder Picks. Fun and charming mixed with the cozy feeling of home. That's what you'll find at the Opal and West House. This bed and breakfast was originally built in 1860 as a private residence. More recently, it has undergone a 2-year full remodel. Walk in the front door and you can feel the character and charm that was put into this home almost 200 years ago. Enjoy a book in a quiet corner of the library. Roast some marshmallows around the fire pit on the patio. Or retreat to one of 7 bedrooms, each with its own ensuite bathrooms, flat-screen televisions, Nespresso machines, luxury linens, and comfy robes to curl up in for the night. Rent a room for your romantic getaway. Assuming the romantic weekend goes well, rent the entire house for your wedding party. Sound like something you would say yes to? Make a reservation today. Rooms are booking quickly. Got a favorite spot in Cleveland County, North Carolina? Let us know. Check us out online at visitclevelandcounty.com.